Students often encounter several common mistakes when solving kinematics problems, especially when preparing for competitive exams like IIT and NET. Here are some of the frequent errors to watch out for. Confusing scalars and vectors. Scalars have only magnitude, while vectors have both magnitude and direction. It's important to not treat vector quantities like velocity and displacement as scalars. 1. Misunderstanding distance and displacement. Distance is the total path length traveled, regardless of direction, while displacement is the straight line distance from the initial to the final position, with direction considered. 1. Mixing up average and instantaneous values. The average speed is different from instantaneous speed. Average speed is total distance divided by total time, whereas instantaneous speed is the rate of change of displacement at a specific moment. 1. Incorrect use of kinematic equations. The Suvat equations, which relate displacement, initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, and time, are sometimes used incorrectly, often by applying them in situations where acceleration is not constant. 1. Velocity versus acceleration. Students sometimes forget that an object at rest can still be accelerating, like just before it starts moving, or they might confuse the concepts of velocity, which includes direction, and speed, which does not. 1. Overlooking units and dimensions. Not converting units to a consistent system or neglecting the dimensional analysis can lead to incorrect results. Ignoring initial conditions. Forgetting to consider the initial velocity or position, or assuming they are zero when they are not, can significantly affect the outcome of a problem. Calculation errors. Simple arithmetic mistakes or algebraic errors can lead to the wrong answer, even if the physics concepts are understood correctly. By being aware of these common pitfalls and practicing problems while keeping them in mind, students can improve their accuracy in solving kinematics problems. Remember, practice and attention to detail are key in mastering physics problems.